Ay, Ate Patrice. Ate Patrice, ano? Yung aking apo ba? Nagtawag sa ospital. Magpapausok muna kami. Basa-basa, anak sa nag-live kami ha. Bigla siya natakot sa mga housekeeping. Pumasok. Pumasok kami agad. Basa. Oh, it's loading now. There's no more data na. Ay, nako, Joyo. Your mom have no, ano na. Let's, ano tayo? Magpapausok ng 6:11 na. Magbababay na tayo. Babay na muna tayo. Mag-charge mo. Oh, mama is now have no ano na. Please. Yeah, it's already. Oh, here, oh. No, later. No, later. Don't cry. Oh, maririnig ka sa camera. Ate Patrice, babay na. May pneumonia. Nagka-pneumonia, Ate Pat. Papausok muna kami, ate. Ito kami sa, hospital. Kahapon pa ito. Hold it. Thank you, ate.
Mama, I want to go home already. It's getting even night.
No, it's night now. You cannot go home now. It's night.
But I don't even see the light.
There's a dark out. Later. It's too early pa. Ay, ate Adjusel. Kalikop, shout out. Asa kayo? Hospital. Hospital, ate Adjusel. Yes.
I want to go to mommy.
Okay. Honey, you want to lay down at you. O, doon kayo kasi. O, doon kayo na. Okay, I will go. Oh, come on.
I want to break it.
Your blanket, push your blanket. Okay.
Mama.
Oh, sorry. It's wet. Not yet. It's wet.